Hello everyone, this is Chagandit Pachare from Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Management Studies and Research, Nagpur, and today we are going to discuss types of plant layout. Basically, in this presentation, we are going to study fixed position layout and the cellular manufacturing layout. The learning objectives of this presentation are students will be able to understand fixed position layout and students will be able to understand the cellular manufacturing layout. This is the diagrammatic representation of fixed position layout. As the term itself implies, fixed position layout involves the movement of men and machines to the product which remains stationary. In this type of layout, the material or the major component remains in a fixed location and tools, machineries and men as well as other pieces of material are brought to this location. This movement of men and machines to the product is advisable because the cost of moving them would be less than the cost of moving the product, which is very bulky. This type of layout also called a static layout. Also, the fixed position layout, this type is followed in the manufacturing of bulky or heavy products such as locomotives, fan sheets, then boilers, aircrafts, and big generators. The construction of building requires a fixed location layout because main cement, sand, bricks, steel, and wood are taken to the site of the construction. This is equally true of bricklaying. Another example is that of hospital, where doctors and nurses and medicines and other paraphernalia or materials are taken to the patient product. Now, the advantages of fixed position layout can be men and machines can be used for a wide variety of operations, producing a different products. The second advantage is the investment on layout is very small. The third advantage can be the worker identifies himself with the product and takes pride on it when the work is complete. The high cost and the difficulty in transporting a bulky product are avoided. So from this figure, we can see that for manufacturing bulky product like aircraft, we have fixed position layout where raw material from left side machines and equipment and labors are given input to the layout, and we get finished products as aircraft. The same is in case of a locomotive, big boilers, etc. Now the next is the cellular manufacturing layout. In a cellular manufacturing, machines are grouped into cells, and the cells function somewhat like a product layout within a larger shop or a process layout. Now this figure is an illustration of cellular manufacturing layout. Each cell in the cellular manufacturing layout is formed to produce a single parts family, a few parts, all with the common characteristics, which usually means that they require the same machines and have similar machine settings. The flow of parts within cells, as shown in figure, can take many forms. For example, in cells 1 and 2, the parts in the part family flow through the same machines in a product focused, the flow fashion, in a line flow fashion. But in cells number 3 and 4, parts take different routes through the cells because of difference between the designs of the two parts. Among the advantages of cellular layout are lower work in process inventories, reduced material handling costs, shorter flow time in production, simplified production planning, that is materials and labor, and increased operator responsibilities. Then another advantage is improved visual control and fewer tooling changes. Therefore, facilitates quicker setups. Overall performance often increases by lowering production costs and improving on-time delivery. Quality also tends to improve. Now the disadvantages include reduced manufacturing flexibility, potentially increased machine downtime, since machines are contained to cells and may not be used all the time. And finally, duplicate pieces of equipment may be needed so that parts need not be transported between the cells. So now we have completed all the four types of layout. That is, first layout was process layout that we discussed in the earlier presentation. Then we discussed product layout that also we discussed in the earlier presentation. In this presentation, we discussed its position layout and the cellular manufacturing layout. Thank you.